Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on ULEFONE Power Armor 18. So you have to start with opening your settings application and now scroll down and click on Google. Now click on parental controls and then click get started. Now click child or teenager and then click next. Now you can click on add or create account for your child. And now you can type in a child's email address. Now you have to type in password, so let me do that off screen. Now click I agree. Now click more and accept. And select an account. Now you have to log in into your parental account. And type in password, so let me do that off screen. Now click more, scroll the way down, and here you have to type in your child password again. Now your accounts are being linked. And now click next. Now just scroll down and click next. Now click next again. And now you can install Family Link application, or you can click skip and install this by yourself later. And now click review controls, and here are all controls of your parental control. And here it's all set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.